up, level up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. No, you want this yummy, yummy all in your tummy.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Cierra Semone, and I'm here to show y'all how to achieve this light but smoky eye look. I've never done anything like this ever before. I've never used dark colors, so this is something new, and I think I did pretty good. Y'all let me know. Okay, enough of me talking. Let's get right into the video. So first things first, you gotta moisturize this face, honey. I like to use this Pond's Light Hydrating Cream for normal to oily skin types. I have oily skin, so this works really, really good. Oops, let me get that, hold on. Now, I want to do my eyebrows. I brush them out first, get them all straight, and then I start to go over them with the pencil. This Wet n Wild pencil is in the color Simma Brown now. Now I'm using this super old concealer. It's the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the color 35, also known as Deep Fonce. And with this concealer, I just like to line my eyebrows underneath just to get them nice and straight and to look very, very, very precise. So once I'm done using that brush that I use to apply the concealer, I like to use my finger to really work that concealer in and to blend it. And then I also use my Real Techniques brush that I got from Walmart to also blend it some more. So now it's time for foundation. I like to use two different foundations right now. I'm using my Maybelline Matte+Poreless foundation in the color 355, which is known as Coconut. And then I'm also using that with my black Opal foundation, True Color in Beautiful Bronze. I mix both of them to get that perfect match for my skin. So I like to set in my foundation with my Ruby Kisses mineral powder in the color Honey Brown. This product is one of the best products, and I got it from my local beauty supply store. It just gives you that flawless and finished look. So now, oops, let me pick that up. Now it's time for concealer. I like to use my LA Girl Pro-Conceal in the color Toffee. I really, really, really love this concealer, and I feel like it's one of the best ones. The coverage on this concealer is amazing, and you don't need that much product. A lot goes a long way. Okay, so now it's on to the GOAT, okay? This is the best thing ever. This is the Ben Nye translucent powder in the color Topaz. And when I tell y'all this works wonders, and I'm not just saying it, okay? This works wonders, especially if you have oily skin. Like I stated before, I put this on and my makeup can last a whole day with this stuff. So y'all make sure y'all go get this. So now I'm about to use my e.l.f. complexion brush, and I'm just using this to knock off any of the excess product. So now it's time for eyeshadow. I didn't really know which one I wanted to use at first, so I just decided to use the one I never used, which is my Profusion Smoky Eye Palette. Before I start, I need to spray all my brushes with my matte finish spray just so it can get all the product well. So I'm starting off with this color Heavenly. I'm using this in the crease of my eyes just to start my transition. Now I'll be using the color Devious, and I'm using that also in my crease just to give it a darker look and to start building up this smoky eye. So now back into the palette, I will be using, okay, all right. So I will be using the color Heroic, and I'll be using that on my lid just to start giving it like a little sparkle. So I really wanted this color to like pop, so you have to pack it on, okay? So back into the palette, and I'm using the color Slick, and this color is honestly so beautiful, but I did not think it was gonna come on so strong. It's like the look totally went left, but I got it back together and it came out cute. So just know that this palette is very pigmented, especially this color. So now I'm going back in with that color Devious that I used before. Honestly guys, I was just really trying to fix the look. I didn't know what to do at this point. I thought it was too dark on my eyes. I thought it wasn't gonna be cute. And as you see, I had to use concealer to really clean it up because I drugged the color out too much, but I still have faith and we're gonna continue on. Okay, so I'm now using this last color named Enchant, and I'm just using that on my lid to give it that frosty kind of look, and also just to lighten my eyes up. Like I said, I thought my eyes were too dark, so I was just trying to do everything to fix the look. Now it's time to contour. I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder in the color 360, and I absolutely love this. It's giving me that deep look and bringing color back to my face. So now I'm going back in with that eyebrow pencil just to line my waterline, and then I'm also going back into the palette and using the color Slick to put on my waterline as well, just to give me some color there. It is time to glow, honey, okay? I'm using my Hard Candy So Big Bronzer, in the color 131, also known as Hula Hula, and I absolutely love this highlighter. It is so cute. Okay, so I totally forgot to do my lip. I'm just using my Burt's Bees in the original flavor, and then I'm going in with my Wet n Wild Simma Brown Now pencil as my lip liner. This is the same pencil that I use for my eyebrows. And then now I'm going in with my Black Radiance Perfect Tone Lip Gloss in that peachy pinky color. OMG, guys. This look came out way better than I thought. Yeah, so this is the finished look, guys. Like, I fell in love with this look. Like I stated, I've never done anything like this before. I've never done anything dark, never a smoky eye, and I think I did pretty good. Y'all let me know down in the comments what y'all think. So if y'all like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. And let me know down in the comments what other looks y'all want to see, okay? I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.